So, let's get into one of the craziest Google Pixel leaks we've ever seen, because this one isn't just a blurry image or an insider tip. Nope, this time, the Pixel 10 was literally caught in action during what looks like an official commercial shoot, and someone filmed the whole thing. That's right, Mark's Gone Public over on X just dropped footage of what appears to be a full-scale production shoot happening in broad daylight in Vancouver. A full crew was on site, cameras rolling, actors in place. And get this, the storyboards for the ad were just casually out in the open. No hiding, no secrecy. Just pages labeled Pixel 10 with Google's typical commercial styling plastered all over them. According to what was spotted, the upcoming tagline for the Pixel 10 series is going to be, "Ask more of your phone." And from the storyboard images, it's crystal clear that this wasn't the standard Pixel 10. What we're seeing is most likely the Pixel 10 Pro or the Pro XL, and the camera bar design gives that away. It still has the signature horizontal bar, but with those two distinct circles next to the lenses, which probably house the flash and the temperature sensor we saw back on the Pixel 8 Pro. The storyboards also outlined the power and volume buttons, the camera module, and the back panel, all confirming that Google isn't straying too far from the Pixel 9 Pro's overall look. So if you were hoping for a full design overhaul, this might not be it. Google seems to be doubling down on familiarity rather than reinventing the wheel. But the most interesting part, both commercials were centered around camera features. One appears to focus on regular photography, while the other might be highlighting the rumored Add Me feature, an AI trick that lets you create the perfect group shot by blending multiple frames. Basically, everyone gets to look their best in the same photo. Slick, right? And yes, we did get real-life visuals of the device too. A couple of long shots showing the Pixel 10 Pro in black, likely the obsidian colorway. From a distance, it still looks very much like the Pixel 9 Pro, but we all know Google's big upgrades are usually under the hood. So yeah, this leak didn't just confirm the phone's existence, it revealed Google's whole marketing angle. And once again, it looks like AI and camera software are going to steal the show. What do you guys think? Excited for the Pixel 10, or does it feel too familiar? Hit the comments, sound off below, and I'll catch you in the next one.